Hey guys, welcome back. This is DK and you're watching Learn English with DK. Today I'm not going to talk about any topic. Today I'm going to only on talking about my body parts. I don't have any topic in this time, but in this time I have a very unique topic. What is the meaning of full body and full body parts? Sorry, full of parts of body. I will explain you one by one. What is the name of hand? What is the name of this? And what is the name of this? And what is the name of this? And what is the name is XYZ. So today I'm going to one by one. I will share it with you. So first of all, I'm going to start with head. So you can see, guys, this is hair and this is my head, and you can see, guys, here is also eye. Here is also ear, and your you can see, guys, here is eye, and here is nose, and here is teeth, and you can see, guys, this is cheek, and this is hand, and you can see, guys, there are 5 fingers in my hand, and 2 hand, and one. You can see, guys, this is my chest, and this is my you can see, guys, this is leg, and this is footed, and this is the full body. Whatever meaning I remember, I explain. So tomorrow I will be explain new unique topics on talking about any topics. So you can see, guys, this is the hand, and there are 2 hand, and total finger are 10. And guys, if I regularly, approximately 10 days, with consistency, speaking about any topic, that will be better for me. And guys, you can also comment me if you have any idea. So you can also comment me. I will discuss about that topic. And if you recommended that one group will create for you student, for my subscriber, then I will also create one group. If I will create one WhatsApp group or Telegram group, that will better for me and better for the all audience. So guys, I will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching.